Did you know that losing your best income source could actually make you rich? Meet Jake, a delivery driver barely paying rent. His lifeline? A popular restaurant where orders always came with huge tips. But Jake noticed something disturbing. Moldy food containers, dirty kitchens, staff ignoring basic hygiene rules. Every pickup made his stomach turn. The moral dilemma was crushing. Report the violations and lose his biggest earner? Or stay quiet and let people get sick? For weeks, Jake wrestled with the choice. His bills were piling up. His car needed repairs. Those high-tip orders were keeping him afloat. But when he saw a family with young kids picking up food from the same contaminated kitchen, Jake knew what he had to do. He called the health department. The restaurant got shut down immediately. Jake lost his best pickup spot and worried about his future. Then something amazing happened. 3 major restaurant chains had heard about the honest driver who chose public safety over profit. They all wanted to hire him as their food safety consultant. Sometimes doing the right thing pays better than you ever imagined.